Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install Wireshark on your computer and then the basic features that are available on Wireshark. So to install the Wireshark you can open any browser and then type download Wireshark, and then you can go to the wireshark.org to download the Wireshark. Click on that. I'm using Windows as the OS on my laptop, so I will select the Windows x64 installer to install the Wireshark of version 4.0.1. So it is downloading the file. So once the download is complete, it will appear here. Right, so after the download is complete, double click on the exe file to install the Wireshark. So do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? We click on yes, and then it will start installing the file. So we can click on next and then proceed with the default installation of the Wireshark. So these are the components that are being already selected by default. So I will proceed with the installation, and this is the location, default location where the Wireshark folder is being created and then installed. So I will proceed with that unless you want to have Wireshark installed in a different location. You can change the location, but make sure that you have the space uh, available in the location that you want to install as shown in here. I will proceed with the installation by clicking next. So it is installing the Wireshark right now. So during the installation till it's completed, let me talk more about the Wireshark. So Wireshark, it is a network packet analyzer. So it means it is used to analyze the packets coming in and going out of a network. So it is also known as a packet sniffer. So this packet analyzing tool is used to understand the behavior of a network, to diagnose if there are any problems in the network, to troubleshoot the network, to analyze the type of the packets, type of the traffics in the network, and then if there are um, any malicious activities in the network, then this tool is also used for that. So now the installation is complete. So let me select, I want to manually reboot later, and now the installation has completed. Now go to the search bar, and then I can see the Wireshark is already there with the fin of the shark. I double click on that to open the Wireshark application on my laptop. So here it is loading the Wireshark. So here I can see the different interfaces that are available on my laptop. I'm using Wi-Fi to connect to the internet, so we can see like there is some traffic in the uh, Wi-Fi interface. I will double click on that to see if there are any traffics. So here we can see there are a lot of traffic, which means a lot of packets coming in and going out of my laptop through the Wi-Fi interface. So I can stop that by clicking on this button. So here I can see like all these packets being captured. So each of these packets can be analyzed or diagnosed with the help of the Wireshark. So let us understand what are these information in here. So number, it represents the frame number. So here we can see frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. So as we move down, different frames being captured. And then this is representing the different time at which it is being captured. So it is displaying the date and then the time. So we can also change the format of the display of this time. So for example, let's say we want to see how many seconds after the first packet was being captured. So let's say, so the first packet was in 0 seconds. So the second packet was captured after 0.1 second, and then the third packet, fourth packet, and so on. So this 14th frame was being captured after 2.05 seconds. And then here this is showing you the source IP address and destination IP address. So these are the IP address of the devices. Source device has the source IP address and destination device has the destination IP address. So these devices could be either the server or the normal computers. And then the protocol of use was UDP, and then the length of the frame is 168, and then information is giving you more information, for example, like the acknowledgement and other information that are useful in analyzing the packet more in detail. So this is about the packets. So we can also look into the more detailed information. For example, if we select this one, let's say TCP, let's say frame 7, so we can look more into the details in the Ethernet. It will tell us the uh, physical hardware address, and then what's the source and the destination, right? And IPv4, it will tell us the IP address of the source and the destination device, right? And then the length, the time to leave, how many hops it can go, and then this is the this frame is using the TCP protocol, so it is telling us the about the protocol being used, and then the source and the destination ports that are used to connect. So this is about the information. So in addition, we can also change the way these packets appears. So it's easy to distinguish between the different kind of packets. For example, like the TCP is here like black with the black background. So we can also change that by choosing the coloring rules, and then here in the TCP somewhere in here, TCP and RST, we can change the background of that by choosing a different one. Let's say we choose something green background. Okay. And then select OK. Right. And then let's see if we continue with the saving. Right. So now like we can see like the TCP, it has the different TCP with the RST has the different color. Right. So this way we can change the color of the protocols as well. For example, let's say we want to change the color, this only the TCP. Let's say we want it to be pink in color, or like the UDP also, we want to change the background color so that we can distinguish, we can identify it faster. So it changes the color according to what we selected. So it will be helpful for us to identify. So this is the general thing. And then further, like we can also filter these packets. There are a lot of packets in here that are being captured. Let's say like we just want to filter these packets, let's say according to the protocols that we are interested in, or the IP address that we are interested in. Like let's say like I want to filter the packets according to the protocol, let's say like HTTP. So it filter the packets according to the protocol. Let's say like we want to filter the packets according to the IP address. So ip.addr and then equals to, let's say, like mm, 10.246.240.76. So here, if we click, it will still appear the same because it is showing all the packets with this IP address. To be more specific, we can do ipsrc host and then click. Oh, sorry, like I did not press it correctly. So here, like it is showing all the IP addresses with this IP address as the source. All right. Or so it is listing all the IP address. So this IP address can be in the source or can be at the destination. So it is displaying all the packets with this particular IP address. Or if not, you can select it as this. So all the source will have this IP address. So it's going to filter according to what we want. So this helps to diagnose the packets being captured. So this is all about the Wireshark for this video, and I will have a next video on how we can diagnose the packets more in detail in my next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.